What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So, want to do a quick video on a bunch of different mic systems we have here. If you guys want to see on the YouTube channel, me doing a microphone comparison between all of these, I can. Like I did back in the day, um, with some of the boom mics and stuff on the YouTube channel. So, we have the DJI Mic. We have the DJI Mic 2 system here. Actually, give me a second. There we go. All right, so I was actually using these on a previous recording for YouTube. So just pause the video real quick and put the DJI Mic 2s there. So some of these accessories did not come with these units. These mics, these lavalier mics did not come with these. This cable right here, this USB-A to dual USB splitter cable, these did not come with these. I got these from DJI OEM parts, but original standard charge cable, USB-A to USB-C. You have the dead cats. The other dead cat's actually sitting over on this table over here. I'm just not going to bother bringing it over, but we have the 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRS audio cable. This is the DJI Mic 1. It does not have the locking buckle. DJI Mic 2 looks almost identical to the DJI Mic 1, but there is a difference for the DJI Mic system. You can actually put these dead cats, you literally twist them on right there, and you can actually have a dead cat attached while you have a TRS cable attached to these guys. The dead cats changed. Now they have like a 3.5 millimeter little faux plug. That's how they attach to the DJI Mic 2s here. What comes with the DJI Mic 2 is the 90-degree TRS to TRS cable. This is actually branded DJI. There we go. And then it comes with the charging cable, the USB-C for the charge case, USB-A. These accessories I got separately. I use the DJI 2s the most, Mic 2s the most. So this is a USB-C transmitter, or receiver. I'm sorry. This is the DJI Mic Series mobile receiver. And this guy allows you to hook up any of these DJI mic systems. So we have the DJI Mic, DJI Mic 2, DJI Mic 3, and the DJI Mic Mini sitting here. And we also have the Rode Wireless Pro, its accessories. And then we have the Hollyland Lark Max 2 Ultimate Bundle here. This one actually comes with a listening set, so you can actually put these in your ears and you can listen and hear what you're saying while you're recording. That's a nice feature on this guy. So there are a few differences when you get to the DJI Mic 3. That's when things change. The DJI Mic 2 receiver is a lot larger than the DJI Mic 3. The DJI Mic 2 does not have this lock button here that you can lock it. The DJI Mic originally came with a cloth drawstring bag like this one right here. And I bought a bunch of DJI Mic 2 cases. So this case is actually the DJI Mic 2 waterproof case. So I bought a bunch, to put the DJI Mic in and the DJI Mic 3. So the DJI Mic 3 actually comes with this guy right here. And this is actually the DJI Mic Mini bag. For whatever reason, when it comes to the DJI Mic systems, DJI Mic original came with a cloth drawstring bag. It had its own setup. They made a bag for it. The DJI Mic 2, they made a bag for it as well, a totally different bag. But when it comes to the DJI Mic 3, for whatever reason, DJI thought it was a bright idea. Hey, we're just going to half it a little bit, you know, half-ass it a little bit. Pardon my language, and they're like, you know what, we're going to get a little, we're going to create the whole mic system, but we're going to be lazy, and we're just going to provide the DJI Mic Mini bag. So here's the DJI Mic Mini bag. It's the same exact bag. It actually says on this little tag, DJI Mic Mini. So if you'll actually look really close there, product name at the top, DJI Mic Mini Carry Pouch. And so the DJI Mic 3 and the DJI Mic Minis are pretty similar. There's a few differences, but what they're similar on is the Mini, and the Mic 3 comes with the same DJI Mic Mini carry pouch. The form factor is pretty close. These guys are, the DJI Mic 3s are a little bit thicker than the Mini. And the button are a little bit different. So the Mini actually has a power button. If it actually focused, there we go. There's a power button. And then you have the sync button. And then the Mic 3, right here, the power button is actually the record button. So if you hold the record button, it'll actually turn it on. And then it has a sync button. If you hold that, it'll turn it off. If you tap it, it'll start recording. The Mic 3s are similar to the Mic 1s, where the Mic 1s actually have these two lights. This is the record light. This is the actual light telling you that the unit's on. And then same with these. You have a record light, and then you have the light that tells you that the unit's on. There are a few differences between them when it comes to like the original mic and the Mic 2 and 3s. These actually have isolation settings where you can actually isolate the static noise in the background for both of these units. This guy is just a bare bone basic receiver. It does not have a screen. You can just change the mic gain from the actual knob on the side, where these three actually have actual screens. Another difference is that both the DJI Mic 3 and the DJI Mic Minis come with black dead cats, or pom-poms. I like to call them pom-poms. They also come with the salt and pepper pom-poms / dead cats. They're slightly different on how they connect. So the Mini actually is similar to the 3, but instead of these, if I can hold it right, there we go. So instead of these tangs, they're little nipple dots. They're just little nipples. And the Mic Mini actually has a little shield that comes up on the back, plastic shield. I'll show you. This is the little tangs there, kind of a little shield bracket. That's mainly the only differences. The Mic Mini's charge case is actually about the size of the DJI Mic original system. And then we have, a few other things here. So the Ultimate Edition for the Hollyland, it comes with all of these cables, comes with these little, these mic 3.5mm jack adapters, comes with lavalier mics, and it comes with the little pom-poms for the lavaliers, aka dead cats. Comes with the foam ones, and then you have these soft dead cats for the actual transmitters. The Rode Wireless Pro system, it is similar. It comes with a complete kit of stuff. It does come with 2 lavalier mics that are locking. It does come with the pom-poms for the lavalier mics or the dead cats, as well as it comes with the foam. It comes with a couple clips, and then it comes with a couple extra, lock nuts. Comes with the magnets and the clips, cables, a bag, and a few other things. But I just wanted to do a quick little video here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave the comments down below. And if you guys want me to do a microphone comparison between all of these on a single video on YouTube, you let me know.